Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to uninstall or remove a Windows update on your Windows 10 device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in settings, best result, should go back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. And then you want to go down and select update and security. And now on the left side, you want to just select Windows Update. And then on the right, it should say View Update History. Select that. And then select Uninstall Updates at the top. And then at this point, locate the update you want to remove and then select Uninstall. And then just walk through the on-screen process for that. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.